two. I don't know where the hell I am. Up behind the garage across the road from Weatherly's. I didn't realise how, as I was cycling past, I heard a nightingale singing. So I got out, got off my bike. I also heard something down here as well. There's something in this little bit of water here. I don't know if it's deep enough for beavers. But anyway, there was definitely something in there. There's no ducks or anything. But anyway, I noticed these tracks off the side of the cycle path, so I walked up there. Sometime a digger's been up here. I can see the track marks in the mud. And there were two nightingales, at least two, singing up there, but you can't go any further because it's all fenced off. It's the third one. Oh, hang on, there's another closer one, surely. I just heard one. Surely that can't be the two I've heard up there. I reckon there's quite a few. Anyway, I did hear another one the other side of this part of the industrial estate as well. It's funny, I've been cycling up and down here for years. I've never heard nightingales before. Can't see anything. There was definitely something sploshed around in there when I don't think it looks deep enough for beavers. It could be. It could be. Could have just been a rat or something. Right, anyway, that was exciting, wasn't it? Right, over and out.